Hey, in less than 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can automatically post your TikTok videos to YouTube Shorts. This is going to work for your future content as well as existing content. I'm going to show you how we can create a workflow using PostOnce in 3 easy steps. First, we'll connect our TikTok account, then we'll connect our YouTube account, and finally create the workflow. Here's the reality. If you have to do it yourself, you'll have to first save your TikTok video, make sure there's no watermarks, and take care of all those captions or description difference that there are between the platforms. But once you have the workflow set up, you won't even have to upload manually. You keep posting on TikTok like you usually do, it will detect your new content and publish it to YouTube Shorts. No more manual uploading, and it will look just like another YouTube video. The best thing is you can reuse that same workflow to cross-post to all those different platforms: Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more. I have personally used PostOnce to grow How to Reels to 15k followers on TikTok, getting millions of views, as well as 12k followers on Instagram and 5k subscribers on YouTube. Let's get started. First, go to this website called postonce.to. You're gonna sign up. Once you do, you will go through the onboarding process, but as you can see, I already have some workflows set up. This is the view you're gonna get. First off, you're gonna connect your TikTok account. In my case, I already have some accounts connected. I'm gonna choose my TikTok account as source, and then I'm gonna choose my YouTube account as destination. If you want, and I highly encourage you to do it, you can connect to all those different accounts as well. For example, I'm connecting Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and let's continue. Then if I only want to publish new posts going forward, I leave that checked on, else I can also post existing posts. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to create one where I select both. From there, you can choose to include all posts or within a specific time range. Let me include all posts. I can choose to post 2 times per day, up to 5 times per day, and I can choose the specific time slots I want. I'm good with those, so let's continue. Here I can review my workflow, and it will work for photos as well as videos. Slideshows are automatically gonna publish as carousels. Then let's create the workflow. Boom, workflow is created. After some time, my list of posts will be added in here, and they will be scheduled. Here we go. The posts have been queued, and I will see that they will be posted on those dates. Let me show you another workflow which already has some published posts. As you can see, I'm posting my TikTok to these 2 platforms, and from there I can see that they have been published to Instagram and TikTok. To recap, this is how you can automatically post your TikTok videos on YouTube Shorts without manually uploading to YouTube. It will automatically take care of the sizes, thumbnails, captions, and everything else for you. In just 60 seconds, you can save yourself hours every week. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. If this was helpful, please give it a like, and all the links are in the description. Thanks for watching.